Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I've been vlogging for the past few days, but I never have time to sit down and just say hi and explain what this vlog is about. As always, it's about my life in Brussels. It's been a while since I actually vlogged my life because I pre-filmed so much and then my uni just became too much and I was just like barely able to edit my videos, so a lot of them were just from like months and months ago and I only now published them. But now I'm getting better at my time management, also because this semester I have less classes and I just have my thesis to focus on, which you saw from the previous clips, me working on my thesis all day every day. But yesterday I took a day off, kind of. I went to get my nails done. Look at them, so gorgeous. I'm still looking for a nail tech in Brussels. I think I found my girl. Let's hope they're gonna last longer because let's look at them again. They look so beautiful, so gorgeous. I wanted to get them done for my birthday, but my nails keep on breaking. I don't know why. Maybe it's the materials here in Brussels studios, but salons I mean, but my nails kept on breaking, so now I'm trying to finally have my regular, you know, almond long-ish nails. So let's hope they're gonna last. Right now I came from yoga class, so actually I am back to yoga because once again uni was so hard last few months. Like from October till like February, March even, my life was so chaotic. I didn't have time for anything. I only had time for my traineeship and my uni thesis stuff. So now I'm finally trying to get back to YouTube and yoga as well. And actually it was interesting because I went to Animal. Like if you live in Brussels, you probably heard of it. It's like very posh, fancy wellness place. They have not only yoga but reformer pilates, mat pilates, ride classes, which is like cycling, and like some other exercises in groups. So I wanted to try them out for a while because also my friend used to work there and then now he doesn't, but he still goes religiously. So I listened to him. I decided to try it. I went to one class and I tagged the place in my story, and then another yoga studio reached out to me. I don't know how, maybe they just like look through who goes to Animal. They reached out to me, I don't know, this is just speculation, but they reached out to me and they invited me to one free class. And then today I went, the place is called Yoga Loft. So none of this is sponsored, right? And I found out that first class is for free for everyone. So there you go. If you want to check out a yoga studio for free, do that. And then I also saw, they sent me an email that they have trial pass, 30 euros for 3 classes. So I think I'm gonna do that because I also am doing that at Animal, where you pay 30 euros for first 3 classes. Maybe it's more expensive compared to other European cities, but honestly in Brussels this is actually cheap to pay 10 euros for your yoga class, because usually they are 20 euros. And also when I wasn't vlogging, I went to one more yoga studio in Brussels. So first I went to Yoga Room. I actually vlogged that. You have the video clips if you watched previous vlogs. Then when I wasn't vlogging, I went to this place called Yoga Double Y, and I really liked it. I bought a pass, 50 euros unlimited, and I only went once because I was so naive thinking that during my exam period I'll be able to do it, and I wasn't. I got sick, it was cold, it was really like January was awful. So I only went to one class, wasted my money, felt bad about it. Trust me, there's nothing I hate more than wasting my money. Felt bad about it, but also the place was quite far. I thought I'll be able to walk there, but I would have to take my yoga mat and walk there, and it was just hard. I will still try to see which studio works best for me. I'm like still choosing and looking, but you know, slowly I'm trying to get back to myself that I was before. Like, I wouldn't say moving necessarily, but also masters is so hard that like I'm so happy that soon it's gonna be over and like I can have my life back, because I turned 30. I don't have that energy to be a student like I did in my early 20s, you know, to like all this stress. Like, I'm too old for this, you know. I need my yoga, I need my serenity, I need peace. Yeah, so can't wait to be done with my thesis, which is also why you'll be seeing a lot of me reading and writing. I am like, I think I was freaking out on Monday, but then I talked with my classmates and they kind of calmed me down. I realized that it's not so bad. I mean, I'm on time. I'm freaking out for no reason. I have 2 months to do my analysis and finish my thesis, and if I want to meet my deadline in May, I still have second deadline in August. Of course, no one wants to do second deadline because then the whole summer you're just studying, but I think like I'm trying not to push myself to the point where like it's affecting my mental health, because I had that with my bachelor's thesis and the consequences were really bad, that for years I was struggling with my mental health, and only when I started like seeing psychiatrists and getting prescription medication to help me with my anxiety, only then like I got better. So definitely not trying to do that this time around. So that's kind of the life update. I love my hair today. So yesterday I applied my curling cream from Shea Moisture to my hair when it was soaking wet, because I saw so many girls online saying like you need to apply when it's soaking wet, and I would usually do it after my microfiber towel, like drying it with a towel and then applying the product. And honestly, I don't know if it's a coincidence, because sometimes my curls are doing better than other days, but look, they're doing great. We love this. We love the curls, the waves, whatever. Love it. So the plan for today, I am interviewing next week. A German journalist was fired for his pro-Palestinian stance. I'm interviewing him for my uni podcast. So I need to actually come up with questions, research. It's a group project, but I'm a host. And so today I'm doing that. And we're also going to eat Korean food today, because I love Korean food, and I don't think we went once. I think we ordered from one place, but I don't think it was authentic Korean because it wasn't that good. So this one has a lot of high reviews. It's called Bap and Dak. Bap and Dak. I don't know how to pronounce it, but we're going there. Super excited. And then tomorrow I am going to a workshop creating your own zine, which is like, I guess, magazine. I don't know. I'm going with a friend, and we're gonna be there pretty much the whole day, like from 11:30 till 3 p.m. 11:30 a.m. 3 p.m. and then I have a birthday party to go to. So a lot is happening. Let's hope I'm gonna be better at vlogging next few days than I was last 3 days, because I just never know like if this is interesting or not. But I think I should just vlog and then figure out this is not interesting or this is interesting. So yeah, today let's work and let's go eat.
tin nhắn không ai biết được. Em cũng chỉ cần một chút hơi ấm của anh. But that's enough, your item moves, it's over tonight. Mình đã có biết bao buồn vui, đã có lúc môi kèm môi. Why you and I, những ký ức khiến ta mệt nhoài, đã đến lúc buồn bờ vai. Why you and I, please don't say you love me, you love me, 'cause I don't wanna love you, love you.
Hey guys, so this is the next day after last time we spoke, but I'm in the same spot, like I've never left. So I just went to this cool workshop, zine workshop. I'm not sure if it's zine or zine. I think it's zine they were saying, so basically magazine but zine. And it was so cool. Like I met so many interesting people. Like I was literally looking at everyone is dressed amazingly, like they have personal style, they have personalities, they're so interesting. It was so fun talking to them. I had my own group because we were like divided in groups, and they were so talented. Like I met people who are poets, who are film makers, who are working in the NGO sphere, who are rappers. Like, you know, it's just like, whoa, so inspiring, so cool, especially right now when I'm kind of going through like figuring out who am I. I think literally the previous clip I'm like, I don't know about this whole journalism thing anymore, and I really want to start writing my own work. Like, I don't know, a book feels like crazy to say, but yeah, I guess like novel. So, and it's just like I feel like the universe is talking to me, and I was thinking about publishing industry as well, and so I'm honestly just here listening to what the universe has to say, and I'm learning, and it's super exciting. And now I need to go to a friend's birthday, and honestly I'm so tired. Like workshop was so great, but it like I gave it my all, so now I need to recuperate and go party some more.
You and I, please don't say you love me, you love me, 'cause I don't wanna love you no more. Please don't say you love me, you love me, 'cause I don't wanna hurt me, hurt me. Please don't say you love me, 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 please don't say you love me. Mỗi lần hoan hôn dần buông xuống từ gần bên nhau hơn, mà nhìn âu yếm làm em mất mình nhớ rằng đã yêu nhau, trao nhau những hy vọng nghe dây dứt trong lòng. Is it love? Is it real? Oh baby don't say you. Mình đã có biết bao buồn vui, đã có lúc môi kèm môi. Why you and I, những ký ức khiến ta mệt nhoài, đã đến lúc buông bờ vai. Why you and I, please don't say you love me, you love me, 'cause I don't wanna love you no more. Please don't say you love me, you love me, 'cause I don't wanna hurt me, hurt me.
I would just be like, okay, I'm gonna retake all the shit.
The key element here of
that you don't have. It's your voice, it's your words, it's not about sharing, because sharing, it has this lovely part. But sometimes archiving is like, okay, I couldn't survive, but at least I leave my message.